In the ashes of World War II, a new dawn rose over the devastated continent of Europe. The bitter memories of conflict and destruction lingered, but the need for unity became increasingly apparent. Leaders across Europe, having witnessed the horrors of war, sought a new path. They envisioned a future where nations could cooperate, rather than compete, to ensure peace and prosperity. The stage was set for a historic endeavor, the formation of the European Union. On May 9, 1950, French Foreign Minister Robert Schuman proposed a bold plan. He declared, "World peace cannot be safeguarded without the making of creative efforts proportionate to the dangers which threaten it." This plan, later known as the Schuman Declaration, marked the beginning of the European Coal and Steel Community, ECSC. The ECSC aimed to pool the coal and steel production of France and Germany, thereby removing the potential for war between these two nations. It was a daring step towards integration, one that required a level of trust and cooperation that had been sorely lacking in the recent past. Over the next decade, the ECSC proved successful in fostering peace and economic growth. It paved the way for further European integration. In 1957, the Treaties of Rome were signed, establishing the European Economic Community, EEC, and the European Atomic Energy Community, EAEC. The EEC aimed to gradually eliminate tariffs and trade barriers among member states, fostering a single market. The EAEC, on the other hand, aimed to ensure the peaceful use of nuclear energy for peaceful purposes. Throughout the 1960s and 1970s, more countries joined the European family. Each new member brought fresh ideas and perspectives, enriching the tapestry of the European Union. In 1986, the Single European Act was signed, further deepening economic integration and strengthening the EU's institutional framework. The Maastricht Treaty, signed in 1992, marked another significant milestone. It established the European Union as we know it today, with a single currency, the euro, a common foreign and security policy, and a European citizenship. The European Union, born out of the ashes of war, has since grown into a powerful political and economic union. It stands as a testament to the power of cooperation and the determination of its founding fathers to ensure that the horrors of the past never repeat themselves. Yet, the journey is far from over. The EU continues to face challenges, from economic crises to migration issues, but its spirit of unity and cooperation remains unwavering. As we look to the future, the European Union stands as a beacon of hope, symbolizing the potential for peace and prosperity when nations choose to come together.